Welcome back, 447 on your Wednesday. We are dealing with a hot November day, and for November standards, we're going to be flirting with a record this afternoon. 86 is what I'm going with. 86 is the official record that was set back in 2015. Hadn't been standing that long. I think we'll make a run at it. I don't think we'll beat it or smash it, but within 86 degrees, certainly a possibility. We're going to be looking at maybe a 10% chance of rain today. Don't expect to see much rain, but there's an off chance that maybe you see a shower or two, but the chance of rain today and tomorrow are going to be quite low. Big rains out to our west this morning, still storming out towards Alexandria. Stalled cold front out that direction never makes it here. And you know, we're to that point where we have not really had a significant cold front, which is highly unusual. We're in November now. I mean, it should be cool and not that humid, and it's not. It's very muggy. This is not that common either. A hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico in November. It has happened, but it is quite rare. Now, we have hurricane warnings up for the western side of Cuba as Hurricane Rafael continues to make its way towards that nation. It will be moving inland there later this afternoon, likely as at least a Category 2, but the core of this thing is really coming together. A major hurricane is a possibility. So another example of a rapidly strengthening hurricane about to make landfall. Now, the storm is probably going to still be quite healthy in the southern Gulf. I think by tomorrow and Friday, it will have a chance to strengthen more right in here. So while it says a Cat 2, a Cat 3, not out of the question. Now, don't want to scare you because it is going to look a little scary with a major hurricane or near hurricane, major hurricane down here in the southern Gulf. But once we get into Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, you could see the significant weakening trend, and there may not be much left of the storm once we get into the end of the weekend. So our concern level still remains on the floor. I mean, it is so low here. We're not stressing about this. This is not going to be a major storm for us. One thing it might do is bring us some moisture. So let me show you what we could get from this storm by the end of it. Let's walk you through Precision Cast. There's the hurricane into Thursday. Tomorrow afternoon, you can see there a healthy hurricane in the southern Gulf. But a healthy hurricane, it's got to battle that wind shear and dry air, and the wind shear and dry air are eventually going to win. This is Friday night. You can see how the southern side of that hurricane gets eroded. That's the wind shear and dry air getting into it, and then like a magic trick, this thing goes to really nothing. Now, there is a cold front coming our direction this weekend, and that'll help pull some moisture from this to the north. So I do think we'll have some showers possibly on Sunday. So Sunday's looking like the day we could have some rain from this. I don't think it's going to be a complete washout, and your overall weekend does not look like a complete washout. So this is all good news for plans. We've got big LSU Bama game. We've got Tulane homecoming. We got the Saints in town on Sunday. So right now, the biggest impact from this, at least the way it looks right now, are some showers on Sunday, a little breezier, but that's about it. I mean, we've had thunderstorms in the afternoon that are probably going to be worse than what we get from Rafael, or what is left of it. We may actually never see that center circulation get all the way up to us. So that's where we stand right now. Very typical of a November storm, going from, well, a major hurricane nearly in the southern Gulf to not a whole lot of anything in the northern Gulf, just thanks to wind shear and dry air. One thing's for sure, it's staying warm with record highs possible today. We're going to stay in the 80s as we go through the end of the week. We will be following that storm. Check back in a couple times a day to make sure there's no big updates. But right now, thinking we'll have some showers on Sunday from it, and then for next week, Veterans Day on Monday, we're still going to be quite warm. And I do finally see some signs, Brandon, that we will have a cold front by maybe the end of next week. We'll see.